Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and set the parental control setting in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. And after that you should once again look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it as well, and here you should select the fourth option, which is parental controls. After doing so, you can see here that you can set the viewing restrictions, the purchase restrictions, you can view the Amazon maturity ratings, and finally change the Prime Video PIN. Now if you, for example, want to set the viewing restrictions, you just press on it, and the first thing you need to do is enter your Amazon password. After doing so, you should just press sign in down below, and it will instantly take me to the viewing restrictions settings. Now in your case, if you first use this section, then first you have to enter basically create a PIN. So it will show you that you have to create a PIN in order to get to these settings, and it's pretty easy. You just click on it and write in a short PIN code, and after that you will be able to access this section. And here all you need to do is set basically which age group can be restricted from viewing basically movies. For example, if a movie is 16 plus, basically for it's not for a younger audience, you can just set it here. You can see that up to 16 plus movies cannot be viewed. And you can also set these up to 18 plus movies to not be viewed. So yeah, it all depends basically who you want to restrict basically from viewing certain movies. But essentially this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.